What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today's video, we're going to be installing something that I've had since last year, and I don't know if they're gonna fit well or they're gonna look well on the car, but since I've had them around, I might as well do an install on them. So there's basically no install video on these, so I'm just gonna be doing these. They're called OLM Sequential side mirrors. So this is how they look. These are sequential, and I think the red ones are just like when you turn the car on, and you have like puddle lights here. But that's not for today's video. I'll be installing the mirrors themselves, and then I have to get some more knowledge from the wires before I do that, because I actually read online that you could actually mess up the bulbs if you connect, like, you know, a power wire wrong or something. So I'm just gonna be doing that for today's video. You're just gonna pop this tab out. You're gonna go from the inside. What I know, or what I've read, is that you have to take out the whole door panel. You have to reconnect what you take out from the old mirror. 3 bolts back here. All you need is a flathead. You pop this out. A flathead to pop this open. There's gonna be a Phillips screw back there. There's one clip here you could get out with a flathead. So the whole door out. So just to give you guys a little tip right here. So this wire here, this is the wire. It looks just like this, like a rubber tube. This is the wire you're gonna pull out from the outer side, and these are the 2 screws here. You're gonna want to loosen them. I even messed up my finger, bro. But you're gonna want to loosen these before you take the whole mirror out. Well, I pull the mirror off. Mirror's right there. So what you push this inner side in, and then you like just pull it out. Don't be scared to pull out, because it's just gonna be tabs here. And then this is a tricky part. I don't know what screws to loosen, because you have these in the back here. So I'm just gonna kind of like loosen these ones first, and then we'll see which one is the correct one, and then we could go from there. So I thought this was gonna be like a pretty easy install because I'm not doing the wires, and then I ran into the first issue. I had to cut the wires to get it out of this whole piece here, because there was no way to get it out of the OEM mirror. I don't know if there's a way, and I just didn't know, but I just cut the wires. Easy for me, and I'll just rewire them, and we should be good to go. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and screw everything back in. It's just reversed, so everything that you did to take the OEM mirror out, you just reverse that, and then everything should go in. It didn't really take me that long, probably like a 2-hour install, so it's not too bad. All the wires are here, so whenever I'm ready to do the wire install, I'll probably do that. But let me show you guys how much wire these came with. Like a bunch of red wire, a pair of the blue wires, green wires, and I believe there's white wires, and this is like a button here. The mirrors are on, but I'm gonna park the car outside in the sun so that you guys can see it better. Working on getting a new front lip, so I feel like once I get the new front lip, it'll look a lot better, but it's not that bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, bro. I feel like if I do like the sequential, the lights for all of it, it'll look a lot better. But I don't know. I haven't seen a lot of people run these, so that's why I specifically wanted to get them and just put them on a car. And because I was gonna swap the color of the car and wrap it and everything, I felt like it was a good idea to get those mirrors, because I like being a little bit different from everyone. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And the next video, I'll probably do the whole wiring video, because there's no tutorial on those. But yeah, I mean, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below, do you guys want to see a tutorial on the wires, and comment down below if you guys like them, if you guys don't. And you guys know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.